Here's a rather uncommon Pelonis fan. It's in the white finish. The other one I have is in black. And this fan was given to me by my cousin, and she apparently had it for like years now, and it's pretty old. It's not in good condition. It has the black Pelonis logo because the black one is white. Overall, it's okay. It's not in the best condition because okay, the bottom of the fan here. And then it's
Where did you find that fan?
mostly, here we go with okay. Here's the back of the fan with the oscillation control, which does not work properly sometimes. It's best to film it when it works perfectly, so here's just low speed. It's also extremely shaky and out of balance. It's medium. Here's the oscillation. The oscillation isn't perfect because, see, like that, it sometimes doesn't want to stay in place. And you might not be able to see it, but it is shaking quite a lot. Here's high speed. Okay, there it goes. I don't even know if it's gonna do the same thing. If it does the same thing again, I'm gonna make sure it centers and stop the oscillator. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Peace.